Hi there! Today I would like to show you how to streamline your strategic brand management process using the strategic planning software Solib 3. Brand management in a multi-brand company can be rather complex, to put it mildly. Let's look at a concrete example to illustrate that. Okay, there is a global active industry-leading company with a turnover of around about 79 billion US dollar and 120,000 employees. It owns 300 brands worldwide, 40 of which in Germany. And its brand products and services are of superior quality. Now its strategy is to strengthen the umbrella brand in order to support the performance of the individual product brands. Without proper software support, such a process would be extremely time and cost intensive. Only for coordinating the 40 German brands, the company may easily spend up to 1,800 hours when working manually using PowerPoint. Solib 3 can help to make this process more efficient by reducing the routine work. As a result, managers gain more time to think about strategic issues. Now, let's get into more detail by looking at the brand architecture of our sample company. The brands are categorized according to two key factors: the impact of the umbrella brand on the product brands and the added value of the product brands. First, we have brands that are run entirely the umbrella brand. They basically do not exist on their own. Here, appropriate measures should be taken to develop an added value. Then there are brands which are somewhat less dependent on the umbrella brand. However, individual positioning is still not possible. The next category is brands that are already positioned independently. Reference to the umbrella brand is still necessary though. For instance, corporate design requirements of the umbrella brand have to be followed. On the next level, there are product brands that are increasingly independent of the umbrella brand. While reference to the umbrella brand is mandatory, it is usually only in form of a logo. There are no further corporate design requirements to follow. Finally, there are product brands that are completely independent. Reference to the umbrella brand is not necessary anymore, and consumers are not made aware as to which company owns the product. Brands that cannot be placed in any of these categories need to be reassessed. Here, it is the job of the brand management to check whether the brand adds any value and may need to be repositioned, or whether it should be removed from the brand portfolio. In our example, the brand management process follows a top-down, bottom-up approach. That is, there is a so-called brand champion who is responsible for the development, performance and communication of the umbrella brand, and a brand manager who is responsible for the promotion and marketing of one or more product brands, including target group analysis, campaigns and coordination of all other activities geared towards achieving goals. Using the strategic planning software Solib 3, the brand champion can make top-down specifications regarding which data has to be entered into the system by the brand managers. The brand managers, on the other hand, may add any information on their brand which they deem relevant. This approach ensures the completeness and comparability of the data collected across all brands. A brand management process supported by Solib 3 has three goals. The first goal is to create so-called brand ID cards. These cards are used to collect all data on the individual brands in a structured way. For instance, data collected may include the names of the brand owner and brand manager, the brand strategy, budget, value, strength, or weaknesses. This enables managers to gain a quick overview of all brands and compare their performance at a glance. The second goal is to ensure a smooth workflow. Solid 3 guides the brand manager through the entire brand management process, giving him the confidence that all relevant data has been considered. In addition, responsibilities, allocation of resources, and lines of communications are clearly documented, ensuring a free flow of information. In general, data collection in Solid 3 is based on questionnaires, which can be customized to fit the individual planning process of the customer. Recently, we have started using so-called mock-ups to design these questionnaires. Our customers can now use mock-up software to put together their own questionnaires. Here, you see a Solid 3 questionnaire as a result of such a mock-up. The helper feature assists the user in filling out questionnaires, thus ensuring high data quality. The third goal is the automatic creation of a brand portfolio. Solid 3 facilitated the evaluation and comparison of brands based on different criteria, such as position, added value, potential, and level of consumer recognition. The result can be presented graphically as a brand portfolio at a push of a button. So, for more information, please visit our website at www.solib.com. Thank you.